Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Today we are making a simple yet powerful health drink, celery and ginger juice, perfect for detox, weight loss and giving your skin that natural glow. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, I have the washed ginger. You can see the size of it, and here is my washed bunch of celery. People, this is just what you need to stay healthy and boost your immune system. So we are going to be chopping this into cubes and then into the blender, adding water as required. Remember, I didn't peel off the ginger skin because I washed thoroughly before using. That gives the best result. And remember, this is best taken on an empty stomach. Take it on an empty stomach, and I assure you, you will give me a tank back because it is worth it. So you can see I'm trying to do it. Make sure everything seasoned properly, and then I'll take it to the blender, blend to smoothie, and then after that, I'm gonna be doing what? I will sieve out the pulps and have a very fresh green juice to start up my day. That is my smoothie function on the blender. You can see how that is going, and now you can see this is almost done. And once we are done blending, it says the end. Then I switched off, take off the blender jar from the engine, and then it's time to do it. It's time to pour it into this my sieving jug. Remember, it is a strainer that is inside where this is gonna pass through. After this was done, people, I got that beautiful green juice that will lighten up my morning. Remember, this is a detox drink that will do what? That will help strengthen your immune system, also aids metabolism, and also, people, it helps even the digestive system all over your body, and it keeps the skin glowing. Remember, in all of these, natural remedies should be made consistent so that you get the best results. Do it morning and also late at night before you go to bed, and I assure you, you wake up very light. Check out the green juice that I have produced, and here is my glass. Just pour that into the glass and enjoy yourself. Remember, I'll be leaving all the benefits of celery and ginger in the description box. At your convenience, go through it. If you know you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Don't forget to do what? Share to your friends and families. Leave a resounding comment at the end. And if today is your first time here, remember to do what? Hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.